Good morning, student. Now today we will start revision of new chapter vectors. Okay. So first question is if the vectors ai plus aj plus ck, if the vectors ai plus aj plus AK, sorry, here is CK, comma, I plus K plus K and CI, CJ, BK and CI, CJ plus BK are coplanar. These three vectors are coplanar, then so that C square is equal to AB. Okay, student, we have to given that these three vectors are coplanar, then we have to show that C square is equal to AB. Okay, so we know that condition that if the three vectors, okay, like this is A, this is B and this is C. These three vectors are coplanar, then we know that this is if A, B and C are coplanar, then we know that A, B, C is equal to 0. Okay, so now we know that how can we solve this? We can solve this with the help of determinant. So we will write all the values in the determinant of vector A, B, C respectively. So take this A is A, C and B is 1, 0, 1 and C is C, B is equal to 0. Okay, student. Now we have put in all the values here and we will solve this determinant and we will show that this C square is equal to AB. Okay. So the condition of coplanar is what? ABC is equal to 0. Okay. So now we will solve this determinant. This will be 0 minus C and minus A. This will be B minus C and this C will be what? C minus 0. This is equal to 0. We know how to expand determinant. Okay. So we write minus AC minus AB plus AC plus C square is equal to 0. So this is AC and AC will cancel. This C square is equal to AB, which we have to prove that. I hope you understand, students. Just we are nothing doing in this question. Just we are using the concept of coplanar of three vectors. If the three vectors are coplanar, we know the condition. This A, B, C is equal to 0. And how we write this in the form of determinant, which is equal to 0. And we will expand this. We will get our required result. Now we will see next question. The next question is if A plus B plus C is equal to 0, if A vector plus B vector plus C vector is equal to 0 and modulus of A vector is 3 B is 5 and C is 7. Modulus of B vector is 5. Modulus of C vector is 7. Then show that angle between them is 60 degree. Okay. So we have to show that the angle between them is 60 degree. We have to show that our theta will be what? 60 degree. Okay, student. So we have to given this condition. So we will take this. Our solution is A plus B is equal to minus C. Okay, student. We can write this. Now we will squaring both sides. So we will write A plus B into A plus B. Okay. And this is equal to minus C into minus C. Okay, student. And this minus and minus will be changed in plus. Okay, so we can write after multiplication what we will get. You will get magnitude of A square, magnitude of B square plus 2 A dot A. This is equal to magnitude of C square. Okay, we can write student this. Now we will put the values of all magnitude of A, magnitude of B, magnitude of C. So we will get what? 3 square, 5 square, 2 A dot B is equal to the C is 7 square. So 2 A dot B is 49 minus 25 and 9, 34. This is minus 34. And from here we are getting this is we are getting 5, 50. And now this A dot B is what? Magnitude of A, magnitude of B cos theta. Okay, student. Now this magnitude of A is 3, magnitude of B is 5, and this is cos theta, which is 15. And cos theta is what? 5 theta 50 and 2 are 30. So 5 by 30. So it will be cancelled 1 by 2. So cos theta is the value of 1 by 2 is which angle will be? It will be cos 60. Okay. So we can write cos 60. So theta will be what? Theta will be our 60 degree. This is the result which we have to prove that from the given information. Okay, student, I hope you understand. This is very easy question. Just what we are doing, we are just doing the squaring this A plus B is equal to minus C, and after squaring we are getting A plus B which is minus C. Okay, it will be changed in plus, minus plus, and C dot C is magnitude of C square, A square, B square, 2AB. Now we will put value of A, B and C. Okay, now we will get our 2A dot B is 49 minus 34, which is 15. So 2 magnitude of A, magnitude of B, cos theta is 15. So cos theta is 15 by 31 by 2. So theta is our 60. I hope you understand, friends. Now we will see our next question. The next question is, If A plus B plus C is equal to 0, then prove that if A plus B plus C is equal to 0, then we have to prove that A cross B is equal to B cross C is equal to C cross A. Okay, so A cross B is equal to B cross C is equal to C cross A. Okay, student. So this is the information which we have to give in. So what we will do here, we will take this A plus B is equal to minus C. Okay, we can write this. Now we have to want A cross B. So we will take cross product with A to both sides. Okay, so writing here A plus B multiplied by B cross, so minus C cross B. Okay, we are taking cross product with B first here. Okay, now we multiply inside bracket, we get A cross B plus B cross B, and this is C cross B with negative sign, so we can write this B cross C, and this negative sign will remove, and this will be what, 0. So we write A cross B is equal to B cross C. So A cross B is equal to B cross C. So this is first part. Now we will take again this, and we will take cross product with C. Okay, student. So let A plus B plus C, this is equal to 0. Okay, now we will send this B plus C is equal to minus A. Now taking cross product with C. Okay, so we will write B plus C cross C is equal to minus A and C. So we write B cross C plus C cross C is equal to C cross A, and this negative sign will remove again from here. Now student, this term will be 0. So we write B cross C is equal to C cross A again here. Now what we are getting from here? We are getting, student, B cross C is equal to C cross A, and we are seeing from here that B cross C is equal to A cross B. So this is first and this is second. So from first equation and second equation we can say that A cross B is equal to B cross C is equal to C cross A. Okay, student. So in this way we can prove that our result. So what we have done in this question, we have taken A plus B plus C is equal to 0. So first we have sent this C's to the right hand side, and then we have taken the cross product with this B, both sides, here and here. Now after taking cross product, we can write A cross B plus B cross B, and this minus sign will remove and we will write B cross C. Okay. Now student, we know that B cross B will be 0. So we will get A cross B is equal to B cross C. This is first part. Now A plus B plus C is equal to 0. Now send to the A to the right hand side, we get minus A. Now taking again cross product with C, so we get B cross C, C cross C, C cross A, and B cross C will be what? C cross A. Now from first and second part we are saying that B cross C, C is equal to A cross B, and B cross C is equal to C cross A. So A cross B, B cross C, C cross B will be equal. Okay, I hope you understand, students. So next question is, if A is equal to I plus J plus K, if A is equal to I plus J plus K and B is equal to J minus K, then find a vector C such that A cross C is equal to B and A dot C is equal to 3. So we have to find out the vector C such that this condition is equal to B and A dot C is equal to 3, and we have to given vector A is I plus J plus K and vector B is J minus K. Okay, student? So we will take a vector C which will let our vector C is C1I, C2J, C3. Okay, we are taking a vector C which is C1I plus C2J plus C3. Okay. Now we have to given A cross C is equal to the vector B. So we will find first A cross C. So A cross C is 1, 1, 1. Sorry, here is I, J, K, and then 1, 1, 1, and C, C1, C2, C3, and this is determinant. Now we will expand this determinant. So we are getting I, C3 minus C2 minus J, C3 minus C1 plus K, C2 minus C1. Okay, student? And this A cross C is equal to the vector B, which is J minus K. Now when we will compare both sides, we get C3 minus C2 is 0 and C3 minus C1 is minus 1 and C2 minus C1 is also minus 1. Okay. Now student, we have to given another condition. A dot C is equal to 3. So we will write. So this we will send here. So it will be C1 minus C3. Okay. Now we have to given A dot C is equal to 3. So put the value of A, I plus J plus K, C is C1I, C2J, C3K, which is equal to 3. Now taking dot product from here, we get C1 plus C2 plus C3 is equal to 3. Okay, student. So C1 plus C2 plus C3 is 3, and this equation is, and this equation, and this equation. Now these four equations are there, and we will solve these four equations and find out the value of C1, C2, C3. So from here we can write C3 is equal to C2, and if we are putting here C2, C1 minus C2 is equal to 1, and now C3 is equal to C2. So put here, so C1 plus C2 plus C2, so we get 3. So C1 plus 2C2 is 3. Now C2 minus C1, so we can write minus C1 plus C2 is minus 1. Now add this, we get 3, C2 is 2, so C2 is 2 by 3. From here we are getting what? Our C2 is 2 by 3. Now this is equal to C3. So C1 and C3 we have already find out. Now our C1 will be what? So we are saying that C1 minus C3 is equal to 1. So C3 is 2 by 3. So C1 will be 1 plus 2 by 3. So it will be 5 by 3. So C1 is 5 by 3. Okay, student. Our C1 is 5 by 3. C2 and C3 is 2 by 3. Now vector C will be what? We can easily find. So vector C, which is C1i, C2j and C3k. So we'll put the value of C1 5 by 3i and 2 by 3 j, 2 by 3 k. So C is equal to 5 by 3i, 2 by 3j, 2 by 3k. So it will be our solution. So student, in this question we had to given a vector A and a vector B, and the condition A cross C and A dot C is 3. Then find the vector this C. What will be the vector C? So we have supposed that this vector C is C1i plus C2j plus C3. Okay, student? Okay. So first condition is A cross C is equal to B. So we'll find out A cross C, which is equal to ijk. So we'll put the value of A 1 1 1 and C C1 C2 C3 and expand the determinant. We are getting this, and condition is given this A cross C is equal to B. So this A cross C, when we expand, we get this, and this is equal to our vector B, which is j minus k. Now we will comparing both sides from here. So there is in the right hand side there is no I. So we will write C3 minus C2 is 0. Coefficient of I is 0, and coefficient of j is C1 minus C3, which is equal to minus 1. So it will be 1. Now C2 minus C1 is minus 1. And the second condition is A dot C is 3. So A dot C is 3. So A is, C is, this is 3. Now I dot I is 1, J dot J is 1, K dot K is 1. So we get a student C1 plus C2 plus C3 is equal to our K. Sorry, 3. Now from here we are saying that this C3 is equal to C2. This is the condition from first equation we are getting here. Now you will write here at the place of C3 is C2. So it will be 2C2 is equal to 3, and the condition C2 minus C1 is minus 1, so you can write minus 7 plus C2 is minus 1. And from here we are getting C2 is 2 by 3 and this C2 is equal to C3. So value of C2 and C3 we have get 2 by 3. Now from this equation we will put the value of C3 here, we get our C1 5 by 3, and after getting C1, C2 and C3 we will find our vector C, which is C1i plus C2j plus C3k, 5 by 3i, 2 by 3j, 2 by 3. Okay, I hope you understand, student. Now we will move to next question. Our next question is our vector A is I plus j plus k and P is 4i minus 2j plus 3k and C is I minus 2j plus k. I minus 2j plus k. So these three vectors are given, and then question says that then find a vector of magnitude 6 unit which is parallel to the vector r, which is equal to 2a minus b plus 3c. So first we will find this vector r. Because our vector is parallel to this vector, so our r will be 2i 2j plus 2k. Okay, so this is our, and minus b 4i plus 2j minus 3k and 2k, sorry, plus 3c. So plus 3i minus 6j plus 3k. Okay, so r is equal to 2 and 3, 5 minus 4, I 2j and 2j, 4j minus 6j minus 2j, 2k minus 3k minus k and plus 3k plus 2k. So vector r is I minus 2j plus 2k. Now question says that find a vector of magnitude 6 unit which is parallel to this vector. So student, we will find the vector has magnitude 6 unit and parallel to r. So the required vector is, vector is 6 vector r by magnitude of vector r. Okay, so it will be our required vector. So our vector r is this and magnitude of r is under root 1 plus 4 plus 4, which is equal to plus minus 3. Okay. So our vector 6 into r. R is vector R is I minus 2j plus 2k, and by magnitude of R is 3, so it will be 2. It will be 2 I minus 2j plus 2k. Okay, student, I hope you understand. Now multiply this 2 is 2I minus 4j plus 4k. This is the required vector which is parallel to the vector this and having magnitude 6 unit. Okay, student, so this is A, B and C, and we have to find the vector parallel to this R which have magnitude 6 unit. So we have to find out this R is what? 2A minus B plus 3C is, after solving we get, or R is I minus 2J plus 2K is equal to magnitude. So this magnitude of R will be what? This 3, and our required vector which is parallel to this vector will be what? 6 dot R vector and magnitude of R. So it will be 3 cancel and 2. So it will be 2I minus 4j plus 4k. I hope you understand, friends. So thank you so much for